This employee justifies the significance of a good drawing of a sketch. As the model is laying on the bed shaped platform, the artist uses the horizontal drawing sheet fixed on the drawing board. A source of light has also been provided to help facilitate proper light and shade on the model, and they are hanging a dark colored drapery curtain. The artist places his position at the eye level as the model is reclining on the platform, which is not very high above the floor. Start to observe the key lines of the model and starts making a small sketch at the right side top corner. Note down the main angles and key lines and placing them accordingly as seen on the model's body in freehand style using a charcoal stick. Darken the area behind the model's body as it is on the tapestry so that the body comes forward. Then check the shades in the bent left arm of the model in which the hand is placed on his belly. Note down the folds on the model's shorts and draw them in quick strokes by tilting the charcoal stick to the angle. This way, capture the proportions, angles, and other body parts of the model laying before, whose right arm is bent and placed under his head to form a support to the head. After doing the first sketch, start another larger sketch on the same sheet below the first sketch and apply the same technique to draw the key lines and angles with quick strokes, time and again observing the model with a keen eye. In this sketch, use the charcoal stick in flat manner which gives darker shades and more roundness to the limbs. Start from the shorts of the model and then draw the different positions of the legs as seen in the model. This, in fact, is a quick sketch which defines the position correctly with lighter and darker tones. All the time, the artist places the angles between the limbs correctly after completing the left leg. Draw the bust line and then proceed to make the head, giving hints of nose and eye. Darken the area of the hairline and the jawline. Then, in few strokes, capture the hand which is placed under the head, which gives a cushion like support and lifts the head slightly. In quick and fluent strokes, capture the folds of the bedsheet and darken the areas behind the neck. Apply defining lines of the limbs and a few darker tones to indicate muscles and their texture on the thighs of the model. Similarly, define the left arm in the correct position with darker outline. Then use a sharpened charcoal pencil to give details on the face drawing and features, the nose and the lips. Then concentrate on the eyebrows and the eyes and capture the jawline and the ear. Give some darker tones. Define the folds on the neck. Apply quick strokes to define muscles of the upper arm and shoulder beside giving roundness to the body structure. Similarly, define the outline of the right bent arm, which is placed under the model's head, and shape it as visible. Darken it a bit so that it may give a receding effect. Then darken the area under the wrist till the elbow of the left arm to depict the rib cage. Then darken the area of the shorts by holding the pencil from the back end to give large and quick strokes. Each fold as visible is properly depicted. Depict the outline of the thumb of the left hand placed on the belly of the model. Step by step, try to capture the correct position and size of the joints, like the knee and the wrist. With keen eye, observe the muscles of the calf and draw them. Darkening the thigh area quickly. The key here is keen observation and quick depiction with masterly strokes, which comes with repeated exercises. Darken the area of the foot of the left leg so that it may recede behind the right leg near the ankle. And in a similar fashion, capture the thumb and toe of the right foot as visible. Now the sketch of model appears in three-dimensional with capturing of proper light and shade and definite outlines of the limbs. Darken the folds of the bedsheet below the model's head and also darken the spaces to differentiate the figure from the bedsheet. Draw the horizontal outline of the bed on which the model is laying. On the next sheet, the model changes the position and sits on platform, his back slightly touching the background. His head is tilted, and his legs and arms are placed in new formation. Starting with the head, quickly note down the basic key lines of model's posture and concentrate on observing the angle as visible. Draw the chest and arms as placed in the live model and start to depict the bent right arm placed on the platform with hint of figures. Then start capturing the outline of right thigh and the leg and cleverly capture the correct line of the other bent leg is visible. After drawing the correct outlines and length of the limbs, give a few strokes on the head to depict hair. Thereafter, observe the model again and darken the area below the right thigh and fills the gaps which form the angles between the torso and the lower part of the right arm from the wrist to the elbow. After capturing these essential elements and postures of the model, start drawing larger sketch of the same life model with charcoal in quick and measured strokes, first drawing the head, the neck, the yoke area and chest, all the time observing the basic line and their position. In measured and quick strokes, now capture the position of the model. The turn comes for drawing the hands as visible. Darken the area wherever visible, such as on the shorts and below the thighs, to show the hind half visible left thigh and the leg. Also darken the background with charcoal stick so that the sketch of the model comes out. After observing properly, use the similar method to define the facial features of the model, keeping in mind the darker areas. Observing and darkening the hairline, show shadows under the chin and jawline. Also define the outline of shoulders and the arms by giving darker, sharp lines. Then concentrate on the rib cage and the chest. Keep in mind to capture the shadow under the armpits and on the collarbone. Apply the same method to giving definite shape to the legs and darken the calf area and below the thigh area to give it solidity and roundness. Step by step, give shading touches on the rib and belly and also defining the hand as well. Now the sketch start appearing in a correct posture and position with right size of the body parts and their position as already draw the basic lines and angles in first sketch. Put some dark strokes on the hairstyle so that the face should resemble with the sitting model. I also had taken care that the gaze of the eyes and eyeballs is perfectly depicted as eyes are a main feature of a life model drawing.